Hi, this is Bruno from Bella Vista, and today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Fun Finder 233 RBS by Cruiser RV. The Fun Finder is their higher end line. What the Fun Finder will do here is give you a colored fiberglass exterior, fully molded front fiberglass cap, power tongue jack, slam latch baggage doors, and you're going to notice nice large storage compartment behind those slam latch doors, power awning with LED light inserts, outdoor speakers. Now the 233 is a couples unit that is a double slide. We do have a mounting spot here for an outside TV bracket with your TV and power hookups here. Now this unit's been built for the Canadian marketplace, so it's a CSA approved unit. Let's take a little walk inside. Now the 233 is going to weigh in at 4,885 pounds, which is a very lightweight trailer, especially seeing that it has two slides on board. Now the RBS stands for rear bath, which we'll show you in a few moments. But let's take a look at some of our interior appointments. We have a nice large oversized U-shaped dinette with night shades on all the windows and valances. We have a really nice center entertainment center with a 32-inch LED TV and an AM, FM, CD, DVD, and Bluetooth radio. The cabinetry is raised panel doors, not the flat panels that you're going to see with many of our competitors. In the bedroom, we have really nice wardrobe closets on both sides with deep cabinets above, a full queen-size bed, and one little feature that I really like, you're going to notice here, the nice solid pocket doors. So if you do have guests, you have lots of privacy. And I've opened the door as well so that you can see that our TV in our entertainment center actually rotates around into the bedroom. Now the 233 sports a center island. We have solid surface counters with a high-rise faucet and sink insert here. And I'll just pull that away to reveal the double stainless steel sink that is undermounted. Now, the Fun Finder will also give you appointments such as stainless steel appliances, as you can see here from the large two-door fridge, the stainless steel microwave. We do have a traditional 3-burner range with oven, and again, Corian in our kitchen area. And of course, this entire kitchen, I'll step back so you can see it, is actually on a slide out. Now we do have a radius ceiling in the Fun Finders, and what's great about the Fun Finder is that we have a 6-sided aluminum structure. So it's fully aluminum built with aluminum joists, the way you'd build a house, 16 inches on center, giving you a much stronger frame. Now, Cruiser will also use vacuum bonding for our walls and our roof. Currently, the Fun Finder by Cruiser RV is the only company in the industry that is vacuum bonding a radiused interior roof. Now let's take a look at some of the other great features here. When you come in the door, you have your accessory panel right at the door, including a battery disconnect. We've got a nice closet here to hang shirts, jackets, other items right next to our main door. And then our washroom, being that the 233 is a couples unit, is right here in the back. So we've got a foot flush toilet. We've got a nice vanity with good sized sink. Lots of storage there. And then I really love the frosted glass on the big residential corner shower. And when we take a look at the shower itself, really nicely appointed, giving you that at-home feel. You'll see it does have a full surround in it with notches for your shampoo and your soap. Big skylight above, as well as a powered vent. so there's no more cramming into a tiny shower. So if you're in the market for a lightweight trailer with a high quality build but without the high ticket price, a FunFinder 233 RBS is a great model to take a look at for that couples only unit. If you're looking for bunks, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with the mixture that Cruiser RV offers in the Shadow Cruiser and FunFinder line. Well, this is Bruno from Bella Vista saying thank you for viewing our video on our 2015 FunFinder 233 RBS. If you liked the video, please click the like button and feel free to subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos and new floor plans as they arrive here at Bella Vista RV. For more information on this product and any of our great products, please visit our website at www.bellavistarv.com. Thanks and happy camping.